Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rahima Subat. I'm from year 4. Let's make a sandwich. First we need 2 breads. Then we need some slice of tomato. You can use cucumber too. Then you need some chickens. Then you need cheese. First you have to take a bread. Then you have to take some cheeses. You have to put the cheese on the top of bread. Then you have to take some slice of tomato. Then you have to take some chicken. You have to put the chicken on the top of tomato. You can use cucumber too. Then you have to take another bread. Then you have to take some cheese. Then you have to put the cheese on the top of bread. Look, my sandwich is ready. I will enjoy it later. Try to make it in your home. Assalamu alaikum.